I'm going to be demonstrating how to sharpen an axe. So my materials are my sharpening stone and my axe. So I'm going to be taking off my sheath. And I'm just going to put it right here. And then my sharpening stone is right here. So it's very important, before I start, it's very important to have a sharp axe because it's better to have that than a dull one. And so when I start, I'm just going to use it right here. I'm not going to use too much of my stone since it only needs to be right here. And my assistant is holding down the axe for me so it does not move. And he is out of my blood circle. So I'm going to do this about 10 times. And now we're going to switch sides. So just sharpening the opposite side of my edge. And I'm doing both sides just to make sure both are the same amount of sharpness because I don't want one side sharper than the other. And that is how you sharpen an axe.